Hi. Now, yes. Na tunaweza kuendelea sasa. Now we can continue. Kama tulivyosema mwanzoni kwamba tunaweza kutengeneza simple website baada ya kuangalia how to install text editor, local server and the other things here. Now tunaendelea kama kawaida. So, before anything tunaweza tukaenda kwenye hii Apache yetu ambayo ni local server. Hapa ambao unaenda kwenye directory hapa, unakuja kwenye computer. This computer kama utakuwa umeinstall kwenye local disk C, kama kwenye local disk D, E, F, whatever you name it. Okay, nakuja hapo, baada ya hapo then we can create our application or simple website. Then we are going to create a folder, call it simple web. Also rename, you can just name it as you want. So after here then you can go into our text editor. For me, I'm using Sublime Text. Then you can open the folder, your file, open folder. Then we go direct to where the local disk C. Kama utakuwa umeinstall kule, nakuja huku, then we are going to find simple web. Then after clicking here, then select folder. Baada ya hapo, that one, close it. Would you want it? Then this one also. And here you are going to create our files which is complying on simple web, which including HTML and Bootstrap. Okay, so we're going to see on Bootstrap first because you have to have a knowledge of HTML, and you can watch for the previous my video from the my YouTube channel, lecture number 1, and I expected to see the HTML tags and the other things to structure things and so on. And Bootstrap normal having some features, having CSS and JavaScript. So this one for the library of this CSS, and we can import it in our simple website. So what is Bootstrap, by the way? So Bootstrap is just like a framework, but not a framework, but helps you to simplify your work into speed up and save your work and save your time, to be faster to building your website from the scratch faster, because you're going to copy and paste the code and design it whatever you want, layout, different layout from the bootstraps. Then we're going to see it now. When you copy, come here to Stripe. Oh, sorry, I didn't connect my internet here. You need the internet to access the file from the browser. Okay, here you go. Yeah, now this is when you open it, you can see that you get bootstrap.com. There's something like that document. We'll go and read the document, what the bootstrap is about. You can download the files, then import there. So we'll get here. See, just build fast response sites with bootstraps. Quickly design and customize responsive mobile fast site with Bootstrap, the world's most front-end open source toolkit featuring source variables, mixing responsive grid systems, extension, whatever, blah blah blah. So many issues there. but you can going to read on this tutorial. We can see different things here, and we can learn different layout bootstrap icons, as you can see here. This is the CSS, CSS. This is for the JavaScript, for the import, and so many things. So for the installation, you can download it, or you can go here, start. If you're using Linux or Mac OS, then you can install it by this command. Just copy and paste and install it in your computer. Then this one you can copy here for the beta, then you can continue for the other things. You can also see the official themes from the Bootstrap, and you can select it. Actually it's free, and the others for, so you're going to browse here to see the features there, but we are not going there. You can create our own template from the scratch, and then here you can go to the document, you can go to examples, icons, theme, blah blah blah. Then after here we can see this CSS, you can see the JavaScript here, you can see barrows, and import it. This is separate. Then you can put it in different models. Yeah, so here we given the startup template. Some code is here. It's not just simple, just import and here we go. Baada ya hapo sasa tunaweza kufanyaje tuka download. Unaweza ka download sasa zile file zako, then ukachukua zile file or come to source files, or you can download it because it complies for CSS and what JavaScript. But you need to know what is Bootstrap, by the way. You see, according to w3schools.com, Bootstrap is the most popular CSS framework for developing responsive and mobile fast websites. Means you can work on different devices, in computer and also in the mobile phones. Means it's responsible. So the version is the Bootstrap 3, Bootstrap 4, Bootstrap 5. There you can see it there. Can watch it in the common usable Bootstrap codes and other things. So we are not going there. So here going to download the source files. We are not going to download so compiled. So we're going to download the source here. Right, take some minutes. Okay, done. Wait some. Okay, good. So go on our files, then you can extract here. Also Bootstrap inaweza kusaidia kutengeneza different layout for the responsible or whatever you want your website to be. So going to the content, browse, JavaScript, building tools, webdoc, and so many things. You can come to layout, which is very important, just for the break, columns, grid, and different things. Kama unavyoona hapo hivi kwamba unakuwa kutengenezea columns, number of columns and rows. Ndio uzuri wa Bootstrap, na columns zinakuwa 12 mwisho, only 12. Okay, kama ni 12 na maana kwamba unaweza you can create a different columns up to 12, but it depend your content, kwa inategemea na content yako wewe mwenyewe. So here you go. Hapa anakutengenezea files, but sisi tunahitaji unataka nini. Here hapo itakupeleka kwenye so complex things, but mimi sitaki kupeleka huko ambayo ni mbali zaidi, so I don't want to go there. So wewe nikufundisha njia rahisi, sihitaji kupeleka huko mbali sana. So cha kufanya wewe ni kukopi zile files za kwenye JavaScript na kupaste kwenye website yako. So kwa hapa we are going to build our own website. So here ni file ya kwanza, unaweza kusema kwamba index.html. No. Just saving. Go here. Go to okay. Go to htdocs. Ndio kaenda kwenye htdocs. Where yeah. Kwa hapo tunaweza kusave index, au unaweza kusema home page or whatever you want. Here I can save home page.html. Save it. Then here you can write our simple HTML tags, HTML, na hapo inakuwa inakurahisishia wewe sasa. Kwa mfano kwa kutumia Sublime text, you can see that when I type something it highlighted, means baada ya hapo you can enter. Kwa hiyo inakuwa inakurahisishia kufanyaje, kuandikia HTML tags. Here we can say simple web, then here you go, save it. From hapa sasa unaweza tukaweka nini, tukaweka zile nini, zile bootstrap zetu. Unaweza tukaweka online au tukaweka offline. For this one, for online, copy direct from here, from here, copy, then come here and paste. Unakuwa umesharahisisha kazi. Then unakuja tena for JavaScript, just copy here, kuja tena una paste. Unaweza ka paste hapo hapo au ukaja hapo before the what, before closing the body tag hapa, ka paste huku. Normally unakuwa unaweka hapo, lakini kama utaji unaweza kaiacha hapo hapo, no problem. So baada ya hapo sasa unaweza kukopi hata hizi, lakini no issue for now, we are not going to use it. Kwa hapo nakwambia kwamba startup template kama hii hapo tumeshaweka sisi, kama sisi bootstrap css tumeshaiweka, ndio hii hapa, ona. Then we come to for the JavaScript, na maana kwa ndio hii hapa, nakuja tukaipaste hapo, that's the optional one. Sawa, okay. Baada ya hapo sasa tunaweza tukaendelea, unaona. Kwa hapo tunaweza kaitype kitu chochote sasa, kwa sababu kama una knowledge ya HTML, so tunakuwa hamna tatizo sasa hapa. Kwa you are going to write header here. Sorry, hello web site, then close it, then you save it. Na hapo unatakiwa sasa kwamba baada ya kusave mafaili yako na unataka kurun sasa, kwamba uione kwenye browser, you need to know that you have already kwenye tutorial namba 1 namna gani ya kuwasha XAMPP yetu hii. Baada ya hapo unakuja kwenye hapa kwenye URL browser, then you write localhost. localhost then slash, unaiandika ile jina la folder. Tumeandikaje? Simple web. Hii hapa. Iko hapa. Iko wapi hapa? Naenda taratibu. Sitaki kwenda haraka. Simple web ambayo tuna file yako ndani yake homepage. Okay? Na simple web. Kwa unaiandika hii neno hii. Lakini hakikisha umewasha Apache ambayo ni local server yako. Okay? Then na enter. Sawa? Baada ya kuenter na maana kwamba inatakiwa sasa ukiona katika hii utakuwa unakuja kosea, kwa una click hapa. Umeona? Kwa this is how it works. Umeona? Okay. Baada ya hapo sasa unafuata zile tags. Zile bootstrap tags ambayo inakuwezesha wewe sasa, kwa sababu hapa unaona maneno yamekuwa attached hapo. Ndio unakuja sasa kuandika nini? Kujua sasa zile bootstrap tags. Unakuwa unaangalia tags kama for inbox, input, labels, badges, so on. Umeona? So baada ya hapo sasa sisi tunakuja kufanyaje? Kuandika sasa vitu vyetu sasa hapa. Kwamba you have div kwa ajili ya kutengeneza nini? Division of the column, division, kwamba division fulani inakubeba content fulani, division hii inakubeba kitu fulani. That's all. Sawa? So hapo sasa unaweza kusema ukaingiza kwenye div yako div not div. Okay, ndani hapo kwa unakuwa na class ambayo inaitwa container, ambayo ni moja ya features ya kwenye bootstrap. So copy this one, cut, paste it here, then you save it. We're going to see if there's an impact. You see, kwa tumeiona sasa kwamba bootstrap how it's work. Kwa inakuwa inaweka katika style tofauti. Unaona? Haya. Sorry. Baada ya hapo sasa kuangalia hivi, nakuja kuangalia sasa kumbe it's something simple, kama unavyoona hapa. Also you can, kwa mfano hii inakuwa kama katika container, means all the content inakuwa katika base hii hapa, haijai kote mpaka huku. If you want labda kuwa full by full widget, means you have to change the class name. Class name ni hii hapa, to be fluid. Fluid means to occupy all the pages. See? You see? Unakuwa skip hapa. So this is really nice. Na unaweza kutengeneza column 1, 2, 3 kama unavyokuambia kwamba hivi inakuwa na column tofauti. Unaona? So you can give it this away. Okay, div. Then here create a class and call it column au row, kwa sababu unakuwa na row, kila kitu kinakuwa na row. For example paint. Unakuwa na column, sorry, unakuwa na chora vibaya. Sawa, this is one row, one row. Hii ni row moja, and this is the one column. Sawa. Bootstrap yenyewe inakuwa na different columns mpaka 12 mwisho. Sawa, inakuwa na 12. Unakuwa na column ya kwanza, this column, column hii, column hii, column hii, column hii. Umeona? For one row inakuwa na column 12, na inategemea sasa kwamba what content you put here. Unakuwa kuna content gani ambayo unaweka hapa ndani. Umeona? Na mwisho ni 12. You cannot extend that. Umeona? That's why you're making that something like responsible and a mobile first website kwa kutumia Bootstrap. So it's so easy and faster. So it makes something to be easy. Okay, let's see. This is the row. Then we want our of the class. Then column, na katika column kuna large, kuna medium, kuna small. Okay, katika column kuna column aina 3: small, medium and large. Also there is an extra small, then there is an extra medium, then there is an extra large. Okay, so this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, I mean 6, right? Yeah, small, medium, large, extra small, extra medium, and extra large. So if you go to Google here and write columns, Bootstrap columns, okay, for the grid, you can see that you see column small, column, see small, can extra small, small, medium, large, extra large. And this extra small inakuwa ni auto, inakuwa na size. If you can see, that's the size of which must be the device will be. You see, this is the column 1 of 2 and 2 of 2. Column 1 of 3 means there is 3 column. Here there is a 2 column. You can see that here there is a 2 column, 2 row, 2 row, 2 column. Row is the first row. This is the first row here. This is the second row. See, this is 1. Okay, this is the 2. If you cut something like that one, if you draw another one, this is the third one. And each row having its own content, and one row can have 3 column, 2 column, 4 column, 5 6 7 up to 12 at the end of the column, this one. So each column, each row have its own content, means information. Content means this type of informations are there, which what you like to put there or write it there and display to the public. Yes, okay, I hope you understand. So now we're going to do that something like that. So column small or medium, we can start with medium. This column we're going to have using 3. Okay, and we can copy it here 3 times. Okay, or 4 times, because 12, right? So here we say first column, second column, third column, fourth column. So when you save it, come here and refresh our page. You see, first column, third column, and fourth column. See that? Then we can change the color to see if that's working or not. Here you can just do the inline style. If you know the inline style, it's okay. If you don't know the inline style, then it's no problem with that, but you have to know that. Okay, so for the inline style, you can watch my previous video for the last years, 3 last years. You can watch it for the style, for HTML, and so on. So here we can say background is something like red. Okay, you can put it here, copy and paste, and then save time. So here red, say pink, yellow, and green. Okay, we will save it, and boom. See, then in the this you can see in every device, because it's very much responsible. Just click here and see it. You see all the content is coming here whenever any tools you're using, smartphone or whatever, you can see the content because of this column. Okay, also you can say that to change it to 1, 2, 4, and this one is 4, 3, 6, 10, and you can add another one for the column. Okay, here I can say then 8, I can say 2, this 6, 10 means here is 2, right? Sababu inakuwa ni mwisho sasa. Just 1 jumlisha 2 3 6 10 12. Yes, then 5, say that blue. Okay, here you go. See, can see that. So it's pretty much simple. Okay, so it depends what you want to do. Okay, so in our next video we can see developing for the real website, because here we given the simple explanation about the bootstrap and see how it works. So thank you, bye bye.